Siphinde sinibingelele kwiKhaya TV2. Wena-ke oqalayo ukungena kuleli khasi, siyacela ukuba ucofe ibhathini usubscribe khona uzohlezi uyithola iy'ndaba njengoba zinjalo. Njengoba-ke ubona esithombeni sakho u-SG we-MK uFloyd Shivambu ethatha iy'thombe nama-TikTokers njengoba uzibonela nje, iyona-ke into ebiyenzeka namhlanje eMoses Mabhida kwi-MK Media Briefing emayelana nokugcwalisa iMoses Mabhida. Wena wakho nje ukuthi ubukeke lezi y'thola amavidiyo alandelayo.
Siyabonga lo msebenzi iphethe uDr. Thanta Mshona ngiyambona ukuthi sinasi uyena chairperson we-communications subcommittee kwi-high command ngiyamdebutize lapho nami, so makufika kuzonke izinto ze-communications ayike uyena iboss kwi-high command abathi high command so uyena asho nje amagama ambalwa bekanike uthinking ukuthi akuye mayelana ne-event yethu. Dr. Tatu.
Yeah, I think guys, we're going to engage with you a bit more formally in some sort of structure. But one of the things we're going to do is a communications forum. A communications forum that will integrate all the communicators in MK. And we're going to meet weekly until the event happens. So that number one, we have structured messaging. We're all saying the same things, and we're hitting at the points where we need to hit. I think it's long overdue that we have a structure where at least it's clear what the messaging for the. I'm not well. A lot of you were not part of the planning committee, but there's a strategic plan for rolling out comms until the 15th of December. And I think you guys on TikTok are going to be very quick in executing that strategic plan. So you will get invites, but we're going to hold weekly meetings. And when it comes closer to the events, it might even be daily. They don't need to be long. It's just for guidance on what it is we need to do. Because right now, our communications, but MK is like that. Some people just do different things. It's organic, it comes from the ground. It doesn't mean a structured approach needs to reduce that organic nature of it. But it does mean when the organization wants to communicate certain messages in a particular way, that we can work through you guys to communicate those messages in a very straightforward and disciplined way. But overall, just thank you very much for the incredible work you've been doing. And thank you very much for carrying the MK name, right? We owe a lot of our success to you. Thank you very much. But hopefully going forward, even after the December event, we'll work more in a coordinated and a structured way. And you guys will have space in the communication space. But one of the things, like I'm saying, that's core for me, is just to bring all the communicators together so that there is sharing of ideas, there is, communication between all of us. Overall, guys, thank you very much. Salute. Thank
And
you.
then, Sipho Theatre. I'm sure media started with Bona. Become now with Sipho Theatre. And so he ends up in media communications. We parliament. So then that's okay now. So it's going to be critical because we're saying there's a problem in the parliament. Many analysts was a communicator. Because it's important that my program is in the parliament, there's a party in the communications on both ends. Just from the truth. So like the media national from a parliament perspective. Oh, we've got two BS not there. There she is. She's also the manager in Sipho's communications team.
Hey, akwaza waya waya, akwaza waya waya. Akwaza waya waya, akwaza waya waya. Commanders morning. I am not going to be long. I think the central point of communication. Because of our commander, so whenever we need to engage, that communication can come through. So she knows how we communicate. But whatever it is that has been finalized as the plan leading and the 1 year anniversary or any work that is being done, she can be the point of contact so that we don't deal with too many people at the same time.
That's right.
So we use her as a point of contact and I say, we take care. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I mean, I think one of the things you touched on was that when it comes to how we shoot our
Amanda,